Hey everybody, Jack Setwood here, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the iPad mini 1, 2, and 3 Lifeproof free case. So, the packaging looks pretty nice. I actually like that. There's at a beach, kitchen, and pirate ship or whatever. Tells you it goes up to iPad mini 3. Just the back. And on the side, it tells you what it has in it. One case, one microfiber cloth, one shoulder strap, and one removal tool. So let's actually get into the unboxing. Tells you all the information. You can pause the video if you want to. This is right here that you see. Let's actually open this up. So I guess that's just it. So right here we have the case, the front piece, the display, the back of it, and this. You can pause the video if you want to read that. So that's that, and then in here, this is the, I want to say, the thing that goes around your neck. Yep, clips onto the case, goes around your neck. Put that back. It's got all the paperwork and tells you how to set it up. And then here's the microfiber cloth to wipe down your phone. Well, in this case, your iPad mini before you put the case on, because if you put it on with a bunch of dirt and dust in it, then you're going to have a bunch of dirt and dust in it. This is the information about the Touch ID. And then I have no idea what this is. Lifeproof is what it says, but it's a triangle. So, well, let's put this case together. See how that looks. This, yeah, like this. If you there's a Touch ID sticker, all that good stuff. Wonder if this is actually waterproof, because it looks to me right there's a hole. Well, just because I'm gonna do a grounding test, see if this is actually waterproof. So I'll be back in a minute. Okay, here we go. Oh, I already see water getting in. Is that closed right? Wow. Is Lifeproof sure that this is waterproof? Because I'm not. Yeah. Well, what's up with that? That's it, I didn't get to close it all the way. That could probably be the reason. Okay, now let's go for round 3. I see air bubbles coming out. I don't know if that's good. I don't think that's good. Well, hope I didn't snap it wrong or something, but looks to me like either this doesn't work, it's not waterproof unless a iPad mini is in it, or the Lifeproof case isn't waterproof, which it says it is, or it's broke, which my guess is it's either broke or it only works with the iPad in it. So, that was it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment what other unboxing videos you'd like me to do. Thank you. I guess that wasn't the end of the video. Now that I'm actually using my head and thinking, it says right on the box, contains one removal tool at the very bottom. I'm guessing that's what this is. I'm gonna go get the case real quick, and I'll see if it actually works, or if it's hard to do it, or if it's just, no, it just doesn't work. So, I don't know where you even put it. Probably should have read the directions, but this is an unbox. What the heck? I don't think I was supposed to mess with that. Well, I have no idea what to do. Oh, well, water's getting all over from the drown test that failed. There we go. Oh, now it's working. Hopefully. It's not seeming like it's working right now. Again, whatever. I don't even know where I would put it in at. Really hope I don't end up breaking the case. Because these are $100 a piece. You know what? Just not gonna deal with it right now. Thank you again for watching. And again, please like, subscribe, and comment what video you would like me to make next. Thank you.